Good morning, students. Chapter number 10, Simple Interest and the Compound Interest. This is exercise 10.2. We will start with the question number 2, which says that you have to calculate the compound interest on rupees 7,000. It means 7,000 is the principal amount, principal rate they have given 9% per annum, and time they have given 2 years. Getting my point? This question number 1. Now in the question they have given you the principal, rate and time. Now we will solve this question by using the simple interest method. We will solve the question in the 3 steps. We will not directly use the formula because 1 or 2 questions I will do with this method, and the rest question we will do with the formula of finding the compound interest. Now first of all, this is the principal 7,000, so it will now 2 years is there. It means we will solve the sum step by step by taking one year. Now principal for the first year is rupees 7,000. Now we will find out the simple interest for the first year. So SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. This is for the first year. SI for the first year we are finding out. Now we will put the values. Time you will put 1 because we are taking the first year. We are distributing this question into 2 steps. 1 year का अलग solve करेंगे, उसके next 1 year का हम अलग solve करेंगे. Now in place of P we will write 7,000. In place of R we will write 9. In place of time we will write 1 upon 100. 0 cancel out. Now 70 into 9 we are getting 630. This is the SI for the first year. Now amount at the end of first year, मतलब जो 1 year जब end होगा तो उसमें SI हम लोग फाइंड आउट कर चुके हैं. प्रिंसिपल हमको फर्स्ट ईयर के लिए पता है, तो वी विल फाइंड आउट अमाउंट एट द एंड ऑफ फर्स्ट ईयर. दैट फॉर्मूला इज सेम फॉर द अमाउंट. P plus SI means rupees 7,000 plus 630. We are getting 7630 as the amount at the end of the first year. Now this amount will be taken as the principal for the second year, क्योंकि हमने बोला तो जो कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट है वो हर साल जो लास्ट में अमाउंट आता है वो आपके नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए प्रिंसिपल हो जाता है. जैसे एक साल आपका ख़त्म हुआ, आपका ये अमाउंट आया, तो अब इस पर हम सिंपल इंटरेस्ट लगाएंगे, ना कि ओरिजिनल प्रिंसिपल पे. हर साल इनका प्रिंसिपल चेंज होता है, तो एट द एंड ऑफ 1 year दिस इज़ द अमाउंट, सो दिस विल बी द प्रिंसिपल फॉर द सेकेंड ईयर. Getting my point? Now principal for the second year is rupees 7630. So we will find out the SI by taking this principal P into R into T upon 100. Time will be same because एक साल का हम लोग अलग अलग find out कर रहे हैं, तो time will be 1 only. Rate is 9 and principal is 7630. 0 cancel out. We are getting this in decimal. SI for the second year is rupees 686.7. Now for 2 years we have to find out. तो 2 year के लास्ट में जो आएगा अमाउंट हमारा फाइनल अमाउंट होगा. फाइनल अमाउंट में जो इसके हमने SI फाइंड करने में जो प्रिंसिपल यूज़ किया वही प्रिंसिपल लेंगे प्लस SI. यू आर गेटिंग दिस फाइनल अमाउंट 8316. दिस इज द फाइनल अमाउंट एट द एंड ऑफ द सेकेंड ईयर. ना कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट फॉर्मूला इज फाइनल अमाउंट माइनस ओरिजिनल प्रिंसिपल. दिस वाज द फाइनल अमाउंट एंड द ओरिजिनल प्रिंसिपल जो आपको क्वेश्चन में दे रखा है वो आपका ओरिजिनल प्रिंसिपल है. दिस एट द एंड ऑफ द 2 year जो हमको अमाउंट मिल रहा है दैट इज़ द फाइनल अमाउंट. दैट मीन्स रुपीज़ 8316.7 माइनस रुपीज़ 7,000. दैट मीन्स 1316.70. दिस इज़ द कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट. कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट हम कैसे फाइंड कर सकते हैं? जो हमने SI फर्स्ट ईयर के लिए ऑल्टरनेटिव मेथड, एक तो फॉर्मूला ये है कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट इक्वल टू फाइनल अमाउंट माइनस ओरिजिनल प्रिंसिपल. नेक्स्ट मेथड इज यू विल ऐड द 2 SIs. पहले ईयर का जो सिंपल इंटरेस्ट आया 630 प्लस SI फॉर द सेकेंड ईयर दैट मीन्स 686.7. दिस इज अ ऑल्टरनेटिव मेथड टू फाइंड द कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट. कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट इज द सम ऑफ द 2 SIs. SIs for the first year plus SI for the second year. It will give you compound interest. Now after that we will solve the next question. Question number 3 we will solve. This is question number 3. In the question number 3 they have given you a person borrowed rupees 12,000. That means 12,000 is the original principal to purchase a DVD. You have to find out the compound interest and the amount to pay after 2 years. It means time they have given 2 years and rate they have given 5% per annum. Now principal for the first year is 12,000. I have written here. Then SI for the first year will be P into R into T upon 100. In place of P you will write 12,000 प्लेस ऑफ आर यू विल राइट 5, इन प्लेस ऑफ टाइम यू हैव टू राइट 1, बिकॉज हम स्टेप बाय स्टेप सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. 2 ईयर्स का है तो 1 मिनट करके सॉल्व करेंगे. 0 0 कैंसिल आउट. वी आर गेटिंग 600 as the SI for the first year. Now we will find out amount at the end of the first year. हमको प्रिंसिपल ओरिजिनल प्रिंसिपल ये गिवन था. SI हमने फर्स्ट ईयर के लिए फाइंड आउट कर लिया है. Then we will find out amount at the end of the first year. That will be principal plus SI. Principal is 12,000 plus 600. That means 12600. This is the amount at the end of the first year. Amount at the end of the first year will be the principal for the second year. जो भी आपका एक फर्स्ट ईयर के लास्ट में जो अमाउंट आया है वो आपका नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए प्रिंसिपल होगा. बिकॉज वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट. इट मीन्स द प्रिंसिपल विल change for each consecutive year. Now principal for the second year is rupees 12600. Then we can find out the SI for the second year. Now we will take this principal for finding the SI for the second year. Now we will use the formula P into R into T upon 100. Now we will put the values. Time we will put as 1 only. Now 12600 into 5 into 1 upon 100. 0 0 cancel out. 126 into 5 is 630. Now final amount is SI for the second year and principal for the second year. That will be the final amount. That means 12600 plus 630. You will get 13230. This is the final amount. Then a compound interest will be final amount minus original principal. This was the final amount. That means amount at the end of the second year. This is the final amount, and the original principal that is given in the question. So our compound interest is 13230 minus 12,000. That means 1230. This is the compound interest. And the alternate method for finding the compound interest is you can add both the SIs. SI for the first year plus SI for the second year. You will get the compound interest. SI for the first year is rupees 600 and SI for the second year is rupees 630. Add these two SIs. You will get the compound interest. One formula is this, and another way to find the compound interest is that. Thank you class. Only 2 questions we will discuss is here. You have to do these 2 questions in your fair copy. Thank you class. 2 years चाहे 3 years के लिए अगर हमें ये मेथड यूज़ करना है तो SI हमको फर्स्ट ईयर का निकालना पड़ेगा, SI हमको सेकेंड ईयर का निकालना पड़ेगा. Then we will find out the final amount. After that we will find out the compound interest. Similarly you can do with the 3 year. आपको final amount मतलब 3 years तक निकालना है. At the end of 3 years means you will solve the question in 3 steps. Thank you class.